Okay, I think I got that. There we go. Hey everybody, Jason Pohl here. I'm doing another one of my virtual open houses. I'm here today at Crystal Lane Manor. That's a condominium location in Marysville, Michigan. Specifically, I'm at unit 8880. Well, I'm sorry, 880 Crystal Lane. Now, I'm sure if you've watched a few of my virtual open houses in this area, when we're talking about locations in St. Clair County, by far, there's the three big locations are either Lake Huron, St. Clair River, or the Black River. Those are the three big ones that people like the best. That's what St. Clair County is known for. And this condominium is actually just off of the St. Clair River. I'm going to show you that in a little bit. Brand new to the market. I believe it hit the market the day before yesterday, okay? Very, very clean, and I'm about to show it to you now. So, here we go. Now, as you walk in, the first thing I want you to notice is the big open concept. And again, I know these videos, they're kind of like the pictures you see on the internet where it gives you an idea, but it's really something you got to see on yourself. But it allows a lot, the skylights here especially allow a lot of light in here. So you walk into this great open feeling. Okay, again, there's the entrance right there, the front entrance. Right here, so you come to the front entrance. To the left, you do have an attached two-car garage. Okay. This is a condominium. They're asking $224,900, so $224,900. Just over 1,500 square feet. 2 bedroom, 2 full bath. Okay. Everything on the main floor. So laundry room on the main floor here. Beautiful kitchen. I really like the countertops here. Give you an idea. So you come through the kitchen, walking towards the dining room, and to my right you have the first bathroom and the guest room. Now these guest rooms are very large. Again, I don't know if the video really does it justice. It really is something you have to see. But both the bedrooms are very large. That's the basement. I'm going to show you that in a little bit. That's really nice. So come to the dining room. Now we're in the living room area. And again, I want to show you the view here. Now, that is not the, I know I said it's located on St. Clair River. That is not the St. Clair River. That would be Canada we're looking at. What that is, there's a pond right there for your view, okay? But just on the other side of those is the St. Clair River. So for walking, I mean, you're right there. Not to mention, you're right close to Marysville, Michigan, which again is another big location point in this area. Marysville's got a lot to offer, a lot of parks. All your shopping is very, very close. Just a beautiful, beautiful town. Okay, so back to the living room, heading towards the front again. Here's our master bedroom. And again, very, very large. I don't know if the video really is able to convey that. Big windows here. Again, spectacular view. Okay. And I'm going to show you. So you walk through here. This is what we call an ensuite. Walk-in closet there. We have another one here. Then here's the master bath. Okay. Come back through. Master bedroom. Come back out to the living room. I'm going to give you a view again of the whole area. Again, spectacular patio, spectacular view. Come back. There's your open concept. Heading towards the kitchen. Okay. Now, another part I wanted to show you is the basement. So, as you can see, basement's partially finished. Okay. And I'm sure you can notice, very, very clean. The current owners took very, very good care of this property. Very well maintained. Here's a part of the basement that hasn't been finished yet. But as you can see, a very large basement, tons of storage. Between this and the attached 2-car garage, you have plenty of storage space. Okay, so this is the part of the basement, obviously, that isn't finished. So you walk out here. Here is the finished basement again. Just got the workout equipment. Another room off to the side here for even more storage. Looks like toys for the grandkids. Okay, sorry about that. I think I accidentally hit the off button. I hope it didn't glitch up for anybody. Okay, so I'm still in the basement. Okay. And you have this walkout patio again, which is a great view. Okay. So that's two, you have the patio here for relaxing, and you also have the upstairs balcony. I'm going to show you the upstairs one more time here. Again, I'm at 880 Crystal Lane. That's in a condominium association of Marysville, Michigan. 2-bedroom, 2 full bath. They're asking $224,900, and that's in I'm sorry, and that, again, that's right by, real close to the St. Clair River. So if you're someone that enjoys taking walks, appreciating the view of where you live, this is the spot. Now, as always, I always end these with saying that just like when you're looking at pictures online of a listing, when you go to them, when I go to them in person, a lot of times people I'm with, they always say, wow, the pictures didn't really do it justice. And this is the same thing. This is really something you need to see for yourself, especially, I'm looking at the video right now and I can tell that it doesn't really show how amazing this open concept looks and how much light comes in here. It really is just a really well-maintained, beautiful condo, built in 2003. I'm gonna give you one last tour here. Again, there's your second bedroom. Give you a better view of that garage too. Let me do that real quick. So here's the attached 2-car garage. Again, between this and the basement down there, you have a lot of storage. And everything, all the essential stuff, your bathrooms, your laundry room, everything is located on the main floor. There's no stairs coming up to it. You're on the main floor. Everything you need is here. The basement is there for extra. Again, let's take a look at this master bedroom. I'm going to give you a better idea here. So again, living room. Come from the living room, walk into the master bedroom. Again, offers its own view with an ensuite. Walk-in closet here. So a master bath. Okay. So again, guys, this really is something you need to see for yourself to really get an idea. You can, if you're interested in seeing it for yourself, contact your buyer's agent. Tell them that you'd like to schedule a showing at 880 Crystal Lane. Or you can call me at 810-292-9138, or you can email me at jasonpohl, Pohl, @kw.com, or you can just message me on here on Facebook, and let's get that showing scheduled for you. So, I hope everybody has a great weekend. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to let me know. Thanks.